All right, question 17. Now, we're going to cheat a little bit on this one here. This is a problem that you would use lawn division for. You can't use synthetic division easily. So, what I'm going to do on this problem, and what I encourage you to do on any of these problems that you're maybe struggling with doing the handwork, is doing a graph check. So, what I mean by that is hit that division bar first, get that big fraction, and then you can do 4x to the fourth minus 10x cubed minus 16x squared plus 36x minus 1. Down below, you'll do 2x minus 6. Now, what that's going to provide is some sort of graph on here. And what you can do is you can look at your answer choices. You can find an equivalent graph and overlap it. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of put in one at a time. And you can see that this is a different graph. So answer choice B is not going to, A is not going to work. So we'll go to answer choice B and just go down the line. Edit what you need to edit. And it's a little closer, but it's still not the same problem. Oops, that should be a 5. Oh, we got it now. So you can see here when I click on the blue and the green, they give me the same graphs. None of the other ones do. Remember, you can click on the circle and hide it. So let's do this one here. You can see this one's no good. And if I just copy that into the next one and edit it, I'll have 2x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 3 minus 19 over 2x minus 6. So you'll notice the only one that matches up with the original function is going to be this one here with the 2x cubed plus x squared at the start for answer choice B with the remainder of 17. So that one actually gives you an answer. So that's going to be your answer. Now stick around if you want to see how to do it with long division, but if you're cool doing it like that, that's fine with me. So with long division, remember you're going to do your divisor out here. You're going to go inside the garage over here, and you're going to put in your expression, 4x to the fourth power minus 10x cubed minus 16x squared plus 36x minus 1. So we'll go through and we'll do our divisions. Remember, we're going to divide our first numbers out. So 4x to the fourth divided by 2x is going to give you 2x cubed. And I want to jot that down right on top of the x cubed term. Now remember what we're doing is we're going to multiply by the stuff on the outside. So 2x cubed times 2x is going to give you 4x to the fourth power, which is what we want. And then 2x cubed minus 6 is going to be negative 12x cubed. And then we subtract down. So this is going to be minus and cancel out. This is going to be plus. Negative 10 plus 12 is going to be 2x cubed. Drop down the next term, so minus 16x squared. And we repeat the same process with our divisions. Look at our first term here, 2x cubed, and divide by that first term there. That's going to give you x squared. I'll go down over here to the right of x, the 2x cubed. Once again, we're going to distribute the x squared to the 2x minus 6, and you're going to get we're going to get 2x cubed, and then x squared times negative 6 is negative 6x squared. All right, we're going to go ahead and subtract down to cancel those out. Add those, negative 16 plus 6x, or negative 16x squared plus 6x squared is going to give you negative 10, negative 10x squared. Bring down the 36. Again, repeat the process. So negative 10x squared divided by 2x. And it's going to give you negative 5x. So that's going to go right here above the x's. Distribute -5 times 2x is going to be -10x squared. Uh, yeah, so -5 times 2 is -10. Um, and then this -5 times +6 is going to be plus 30x. That should be a x next to the 36. That's why I paused for a little bit. All right, so now we want to subtract downward. And so subtracting a negative is adding a positive, so it's going to cancel. This is going to be 36 minus 30, which is going to give you 6. So you'll have 6x, and then we're going to bring down -1. And we're going to do one more process, one more round. We'll get your answer and be done with this problem. So 6x divided by 2x is going to give you 3. It's going to end with 3. 3 times 2x minus 6 is going to be 6x minus 18. And so we'll lastly subtract. Minus is a positive. -1 plus 18 is 17. Positive 17. That's going to be a remainder. And you can see over here, these two have a remainder of 17. This one does not. No, neither does C or D. So why is it B? Well, look at your numbers here. 2x cubed, x squared, -5x, and 3. And your remainder will go over your divisor.